Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Apps. Following that, you need to scroll down again and click on Permission Manager. Then select one of your device's features like Location and pick an app. I will go with maybe Play Store. Then select one of those options by clicking on the chosen one, allow only while using, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I go back, as you can see, Google Play Store just gained access to this device location if I'm using it. But you can always pick any feature and then an app that you are interested in, like Maps. Now scroll down and click on See All Maps Permissions instead. From here, you can manage all of apps permissions only for this app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!